your dance moves?
We want it again. Again.
What was it?
Again.
March. March 19th, 2010.
Everybody say yes. Yes. To be.
Daddy, only a toy can do this.
You gonna go show mommy how you dance? Yes, she's too busy. I gotta tell you, the view from above is even cuter.
No, I bet.
Just looks like a little mushroom.
Everybody said yes.
What are you doing?
Look at Daddy.
What are you doing?
We're dancing.
Where you going?
He's being cautious.
I guess. Out of cushions? What are you gonna do now? Hi, kitty.
Do it again.
Is this purely a walking thing? Hello. How are you?
Baba baby, yeah.
You gonna dance?
Look at the boomerang wet. Kitty, this is the first time you hear this. Good mate, I'm glad you could make it. Ride like a train, July.
I think he's stuck.
The train and this is my favorite. Let's not wasting. We're gonna be traveling over the amazing down in all the way. And on the boomerang. Hey! That's it, Rocky.
Are you gonna dance? Let me see dance.
I'm glad you could make it. I'm glad like a train to walk. There's a train in the station already. That's how it's getting home. Gonna be traveling over the amazing down.
Did you lose your hat?
When we will travel.
Thank you, Abby.
The boomerang, yes, but it all comes back to Jesus. Man, the moon high, the present things lost is that you pray for Jesus. And the boomerang, every breath. I have a fit.
You trying to pat yourself on the head? I see you. I see you. Did you go say hi to mommy on the camera? Did you go say hi to mommy on the camera?
This guy was dancing.
Hi. That's Logan and the bear. That's Buffer.
Logan again.
And there's Abby over there too. And Daddy.
Dancing as sweetly as she can.
Oh, yeah.
Isaac. What happened to your hat?
This is where my hands are. Logan, you have to go around.
I don't know. I don't
Hey,
think.
you can-
I don't think I had it
Logan,
on
you have
him.
to go around.
I don't think I had it on him when he was doing that. That is hilarious.
Can you fix my hat?
Oh, he's just back at the old cars now.
Oh, I have an idea.
Logan, you're actually wearing your VBS shirt.
I should go get mine on.
Well, no, we're about to go out bath time. Abby, wait, 'cause we're about to go out bath time.
Yeah.
Abby, don't make a big mess.
Tired, Logan? There you go, huh?
Can you do that again for mommy so she can see?
I did. Believe me, I got it. Now Isaac is filming. Isaac, you can't see yourself. You're not You're too loud, Logan. Yeah, Isaac, you can't see yourself, honey. Because when I take it off of you, you're not.
Take him in the shooting room.
Wait, who do you see?
Good.
A cracker?
The.
Daddy, yes. And there's Isaac, but you can't see it. No.
You told the baby ass to
We'll do one more and then we're going up to...